In this video, we will see how to change the layout of a page, using section breaks. By default, the whole document uses the same page layout, in terms of margins, size, and orientation. However, for example, when there is a large image, or table, to be displayed in landscape mode, between paragraphs, we can use sections to change the layout of a particular page, in a document. For this, you need to define where the section starts, and ends, by inserting section breaks. The sample that we have used, has an image, to be added in landscape mode. You can view our blog post, and download the sample files. Check the description for the URL of the blog post. To know which section you are currently in, you have to enable the section numbering option, from the status bar. For this, right-click on the status bar, and select Section. On the bottom left of the document, you can view the section number, similar to page numbers. As you scroll through the document, and click anywhere, the section number does not change, indicating that the whole document is in a single section. To change the page layout using sections, open the sample document changing page layout file. Scroll to page 3. There is a placeholder for an image here. Delete the placeholder and insert the sample image. To make the content of the image readable, we may want to increase the size of the image. One way to do this would be, to move the image to a separate page, and change the orientation of that page, to landscape. Then, we can also increase the size of the image, to use the space available on the page. For this, we will create a separate section, that contains a single page, with the image. To add section breaks, click at the end of the page before the image. On the ribbon, on the Layout tab, in the Page Setup group, click Breaks. From the displayed list, click Next Page. This inserts a section break at the end of page 2. On the bottom right of the page, you can see that, now we are in section 2. To verify that the section break is added, click anywhere before the inserted section break, that is, in pages 1 or 2, the section indicator in the status bar will display section number as 1. And when you click anywhere after the section break, that is, anywhere after page 2, the section indicator in the status bar, will display section number as 2. Since, we want only the image to be set in landscape mode, we will add another section break, after the image 2. With this, page 3 will have only the image, and the rest of the content is pushed to the next page. Now the total number of sections in the document is 3. That is, pages 1 and 2 are section 1. Page 3 is section 2. And from page 4 onwards, it is section 3. To change the layout of the section containing the image, click anywhere in section 2. On the ribbon, on the Layout tab, in the Page Setup group, click Orientation. From the list, click Landscape. The page with the image changes to a landscape orientation. Resize, and position the image as required. As you scroll to other pages, they will still be in the portrait orientation. By changing the magnification of the document, you can see that only the page containing the image has a different layout. In a similar way, you can change the layout of multiple pages as well, by adding suitable section breaks. In this way, it is now easier to change the layout of a page in a document. Thank you for watching this video.